Welcome back to my channel Benchmark. Again, we are here with a new question based on simple interest. So this question says, certain sum of money is borrowed by Mr. Kumar at 15% per annum for 15 years. If he pays an interest of rupees 900, then find the total money borrowed by Mr. Kumar. Let's understand what all information have been given in this particular question. It says at 15% per annum. So rate of interest is 15% for 15 years. So n is equal to 15. He pays an interest of rupees 900, means SI is equal to rupees 900. What is being asked? Principal. That is, what is the sum borrowed? So principal is equal to what? Let's understand the formula to find principal. So principal is equal to SI into 100 upon N into R, that is number of years, into rate percent per annum. SI given to us is 900 into 100 upon N, that is 15, and R is also given to us as 15 years. 15% and 15 years. When I go for the cancellation, 15 6 are 90, 15 4 are 60, so that gives me the answer as 400. So I can say that the sum borrowed by Mr. Kumar is equal to rupees 400. I can also include one more thing. If you are being asked to find out the amount, so extra I'm just solving. So what would be the amount? Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. It means it is 400 plus 900, which is equal to rupees 1300. So had the question been asked that what would be the total sum of money which will have to be refunded or which will have to be repaid by Mr. Kumar, then my answer would have been rupees 30. Okay, let's go to the next question. A sum of rupees 2500 amounts to rupees 3100 in 2 years at certain rate of simple interest. What is the rate of interest? What is 2500? Principal is given, that is principal is rupees 2500. Amounts to, that is amount is equal to rupees 3100 in 2 years, that is number of years is equal to 2. What is being asked? At a certain rate of simple interest. So rate of interest is equal to what? Okay, what information can I have from these two values, principal and amount? But before that, let's try to understand how do I find rate of interest. So the formula to find rate of interest is SI into 100 upon P into N. But I don't have the value of SI. So how do I find SI? SI is nothing but amount minus principal. Fine. So let's try to find out amount minus principal, that is 2500 minus, sorry, I repeat, 3100 minus 2500. So let's write down, where simple interest is equal to amount minus principal, which is equal to 3100 minus 2500. So that gives me simple interest as rupees 600. Therefore, I can write R is equal to SI, that is 600, into 100 upon P, that is principal is rupees 2500, into N. N is 2 years. Okay, can I cancel these two zeros? Yes, I can cancel. Now 25 4 ja 2 2 ja, that is 6 2 ja 12. So that is nothing but 12% per annum. Therefore, the final concluding statement I can write it as, therefore rate of interest is equal to 12% per annum. It's very important to understand the formula. R is equal to SI into 100 upon P into N. And at the same time, when I have to calculate R, the another way of finding simple interest, if amount and principal is given, then simple interest is equal to amount minus principal.